Hello friends, I am Sethi and I am a corporate trainer with 10 years of experience in data analytics. And in this video, I am going to discuss the roadmap to become a data analyst. So if you are really serious about becoming data analyst, watch this video till the end. As we are going to discuss what all technologies you should learn if you want to become a data analyst. So I will be sharing 7 technologies which you require to learn or master if you want to become a data analyst. So let us start with number 1. The first technology is my favorite one, that is MS Excel. Excel has been the number 1 software amongst all the other softwares for data analytics, and it is the product of Microsoft, which was introduced 40 years back and still it is ruling the charts. So in Excel, you will learn how to create a data table, how you can import data from various sources. In that you can use Power Query also. And once you get the data, then we will learn how to create a table, how to create charts, how to create pivot tables, how to apply lookups, how you can create dashboards in Excel. So Excel is the first starting technology that you should learn to become a data analyst. Now, after you master Excel, let us come to second technology, which is SQL. Now, what is SQL? SQL is structured query language. So Excel has a limitation that it can work only with limited amount of data. Excel file can support only up to 10 lakh records. So nowadays there are millions and billions of records which are there in a company when you're working with any MNC, like let's say Flipkart or Amazon. Every day millions and billions of sales are happening and records are being generated. So to work on these records, you require a huge database system. And SQL is a structured query language which helps you in working with a larger amount of data set. And that is the second technology that you should learn, which is SQL. So once you master Excel and SQL, then the third technology that you should learn is the reporting tool, which is Power BI. Yes, Power BI. You might have heard of this name because it has become very popular in the coming times. Why? Because of the data visualization ability and the features that Power BI has. Power BI allows you to convert your data into from a very boring table into a very dynamic dashboard and reports and graphs and charts, and even you can present your data into maps, and that can be dynamic also. So the third technology that you should learn is Power BI, and through Power BI, you can not only analyze the data, but you can visually present the data to the management for their decision making. Once you learn Power BI, then a similar tool which is a competitor of Power BI is Tableau. So the fourth tool that you should learn is Tableau. Tableau is again a data visualization tool which is a product of Salesforce, and which allows you to import data from various sources and you can create visuals in Tableau. So Power BI and Tableau, as many companies are using Tableau and some of the companies are using Power BI. So you should have knowledge of both, because you might get employed with any company and they might be using Tableau or Power BI. So both technology you should learn. So once you master these four technology, the fifth one, which is bridge between Power BI and Excel, is Power Query. What is Power Query? Power Query is an application of Microsoft which helps you clean the data and transform the data from various sources. Suppose you have data in 4 Excel files and you want to merge them together for reporting purpose. You can use Power Query and transform the data or merge different Excel files. So this is the fourth technology that you should learn, which is Power Query. The fifth one, sorry. Now the next sixth one, and the most important one, which is little advanced also, is the coding language Python. Now Python is very popular nowadays because it can generate data. You can do multiple things with Python, and you can give customized queries and you can write customized code for getting the data. So in Python, you will learn about different dictionaries, directories like NumPy and pandas. So with the use of these directories, you can create different programs. And the seventh and the most important one is AI. AI is nowadays integrated with everything like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI. Every software is having a AI tool inbuilt in it. So AI is the most important and the technology which you should master. So with these 7 technologies, you can become a data analyst. And let me tell you, it takes near about 5 to 6 months to master all these technology. Each technology will take you near about 1 month to learn it. But if you pay good attention and you learn from a good mentor who is experienced into the field of data analytics, then in the 6 months you can become a data analyst and you can earn a salary starting from the range of 10 lakhs to up to 20-25 lakhs. So depending on your experience and your expertise and the practice that you do with the data set, any company would employ you, and it is the upcoming field. So if you are really interested in becoming a data analyst and you want to start your learning journey, just type the word interested in our comment section and we will share you our course details. And we are conducting live batches for all these technology. So take the benefit of it. Don't keep thinking, start acting. Thank you.